friends, so today I'm going to show you how to make a quick hot cocoa packet. These are in my Etsy shop, and this is one of the characters. There's 5 characters. This gingerbread man, a Santa, a snowman, 2 different bears, and they're all drinking hot cocoa. And there's several different patterns. There's different, they're all red and the white and green. But different patterns. Some have dots in this middle and different things like that. But they come with on one sheet like this with a gray outline to cut, and then there's also gray and white dashed lines, and that's where you fold. And so I've got these already cut out because I know you guys know how to cut. So, and then this is a little gift card. It just folds in half. Also comes with this little circle. I didn't get that cut out, so if you wanted to just hang a little circle tag on there and all, and just punch a little hole in that circle, then you could write on the back to and from. There's several of these. There's like 10 different phrases. You can either write right here something like to who it is to, or you could write Merry Christmas or whatever. Or I've got a bunch of these in red and green, Merry Christmas, hug in a mug, chocolate therapy, things like that. And then this is also, there's 4 different patterns for this, and this is just for a pocket to go on the back. So if you wanted to stick another little note in there, or a gift card or something like that, that would be an option too. So this is just optional. If you wanted to use it, great. If not, no problem. So I've got it cut out, and then you just start folding on all the fold lines. And I don't know if you can see it. See those gray and white fold lines? And so it might be easier to take it in and score it on if you have a scoreboard or a cutter that has a score on it. But I'm just gonna try to do this. It's kind of hard because it's on this thick cardstock, so it probably would have been a lot easier if I would have just scored it first. But we'll make this work. But the lines are very helpful. Okay, so you can see that's pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy to see. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure these 2 are really folded, burnished on there nicely. Just take whatever liquid glue you use. I use Tombow liquid glue. I really like this one a lot. Use it for all my paper crafting. And just put some glue on those 2 flaps. And then fold this over and just press that and make sure it's all sealed there. And you can see how quick and easy that is. And you can decide if you want a pocket. I think I will put a pocket. So I'm good. If you don't have a little notch punch, then you could use a circle punch and just go down halfway. I'm going to use this notch, trying to just eyeball the center here. Probably about there. Whoops, I moved it. Okay, so if you use the pocket, you want to put a thin line of glue and as close to the edges as you can on the bottom, on the right and the left side, of course. And just try to get it as close to the bottom, the edges as you can. And then pick it up, if I can here. So here's the front, so here's the back. And just line up those edges. And then just push from the center out, so any excess glue will come out the edges and you can wipe it off. You don't want it going inside your pocket, of course, because that will block off your pocket. So there's that. And then you decide what you want to do there. I'm going to use this little Merry Christmas sign. It looks so, so cute. So I got this hot cocoa packet at the Dollar Tree. It's still $1.25 for 8 packages. Is there 8 or 6? Oh, there's 6, which is just fine. And then I checked the price at Walmart and they have these boxes, but they're a box of 8. But they were $3 something for 8. So even though this only has 6, I still think this is the better deal. And I also checked for candy canes at both Walmart and the Dollar Tree, and they're not out yet, darn it. So I'm going to put a candy cane in here. And then I think you would also have room to put a small, like an Andy's flat mint or a York peppermint patty perhaps, or something like that. Just a little something, or a little hard mint in there. And then you can just fold that over, and then you can just put a little dot of glue right here if you wanted, or a little piece of tape. Double-sided tape would be really good. Or you could trim up the edges just a little bit, the edges on both the flaps, and then tuck it inside. That's an option too. But I'm going to leave mine open because I still want to put a candy cane and then probably a little candy in there as well. And then here's the little gift card. So you just fold that in half and kind of decide where you would want this. I'm going to, I think, put it about there. So you'll want to make sure your cocoa's not in there. And then if you have a small hole punch, that's great. If not, just use the regular sized one. But I think I'm going to put a hole right in this top left corner, and then probably about maybe right there. And then you can use some twine, baker's twine or jute cord, whatever you'd want to use. And anyway, you can write your little sentiment and who it's to and from you, of course. Let's see, how do I want to do this? I think I want to come up from the back. And then through the card. It's unraveling. Well, my goodness, it's really, I guess you could put a dot of glue on the end of that or something and it would go through much easier. And then I think just tie this in a bow. And you'll want to put the hole fairly close to the edge because you wouldn't want to take up all the room for the hot cocoa packet to fit inside. And so you can see I put mine pretty close to the edge of the envelope. And there it is, super easy, super quick. This would be so easy to print off, 5, 6, 8, 10, whatever you needed for gifts, co-workers, ministering sisters, just anyone, neighbors. And then there's a pocket if you want to put another note or a gift card or something. Really, whatever you wanted. And it's so, so cute. This gingerbread man just melts my heart. He's so cute. And then I've got a darling snowman, a really cute Santa Claus, and like I said, a white bear and then a brown bear. And they're all drinking hot cocoa. And that is it for this little tutorial. Thank you so much. I hope this inspires you to make something similar. If you want these printables, they are in my Etsy shop and the link will be below this video. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Have a whimsical day.